Thank you for tuning in for the Consumer Snapshot for November 2012. I'm Pam Goodfellow, Consumer Insights Director at Big Insight. Today we'll be taking a quick look at the latest insights on consumer confidence, practical spending, as well as other highlights for the month of November. Now I wanted to preface our snapshot analysis with a quick look at the presidential election's impact on this month's insights. We collected our November survey from the 1st to the 6th, and all results were captured before the presidential poll results were revealed. Now, whether your candidate won or lost the presidential election, it's clear that consumers were feeling more positive about the future of the economy, job market, and their own personal finances as they headed to the polls this year, as we'll see in a moment. After one of the closest presidential races in U.S. history, it seems that at least some of this ebullience can be attributed to the fact that we were all feeling pretty confident about our particular candidate's chances of being crowned commander-in-chief. Now that the election has been decided, the sustainability of this collective upbeat attitude will soon be put to the test. With the holiday season on the horizon, the fiscal cliff looming, and President Obama's second term about to begin. Now, with that in mind, let's take a look at our newest insights for November 2012. For the past couple of months, confidence has been fluctuating above the 35% mark. While it's still below the 40 to 50% we'd like to see in a quote-unquote good economy, I think we'll take any improvement we can get, right? This month, those confident or very confident in chances for a strong economy rose to nearly 40% though, and that's the highest reading we've seen in 5 years. We're not quite where we were back in October 2007, but we're feeling better compared to every other month since. Here's the big question though. Is this confidence sustainable, and will it continue to grow? With the fiscal cliff looming and catching a bit more press now that the election is over, the holiday season ahead, and President Obama about to begin his second term, much remains to be seen. So we know that confidence is on an upward swing compared to the past 5 years, but let's put this indicator into perspective with the past several years. This month's reading is definitely improved from our recession-riddled past. We're in line with a pre-downturn 2007, but aren't quite as confident as the majority who were back in 2006. Now here's what retailers would like to know headed into the holiday season. Will the boost in confidence translate into a boost in spending? This month, 2 out of 5 consumers, and that's 43%, cite practicality when purchasing, which is down 5 full points from October and slightly lower compared to a year ago. In similar fashion, while the majority say they are focused on just the necessities when spending, this has declined 6 points from last month and is slightly lower versus November 2011. So from this perspective, it looks as if consumers are gearing themselves up for gifting and are slightly less stringent from a year ago. Here's the caution. This month's readings aren't that out of line with what we saw during the recession. Practicality remains elevated from pre-downturn November 2007, as does focus on needs over wants. So we can expect those smart shopping strategies, couponing, comparing prices, watching sales and promotions, to continue through the holiday season. Now, if you've been paying attention to the snapshot, you'd already know that consumers have been particularly conservative with their finances in these months leading up to the all-important holiday season. As you can see on the chart on your screen, those kind of tightwad tendencies did relax a bit for November, with fewer planning to decrease overall spending, pay down debt, increase savings compared to previous months. However, and that's a big however, with each of these 3 plans remaining in line with November readings for the past several years, it appears that shoppers will still be focused on keeping their spending in check this holiday season. Now we'll close out this month's snapshot with a look at a few other insights from November. First, more than 1 in 4 see fewer layoffs for the future, and that's the most optimistic outlook for employment we've seen in 10 years. The majority is still expecting more of the same, though. Consumers' pump price prediction for the end of November is 20 cents lower than last month, while 70% report that fluctuating gas prices are driving a hole in their budgets. Payless advances to the co-leader position in shoes, once again giving Walmart a run for its money in this category. However, the discounter leads specialists Whole Foods and Trader Joe's in the organic products segment. And while the 90-day outlook is mixed from October, all categories are up from the past 2 years. And several have also improved from pre-recession November 2007, including men's clothing, shoes, health and beauty, groceries, and electronics. And of course, I hope Santa blings me something sparkly this year, but so do a lot of other people apparently. 6-month purchase intentions for jewelry and watches reached a 6-year high for November. Computers, furniture, home appliances, mobile devices, and TVs are also on the rise compared to a year ago. Now, what's hot this month? It appears that consumers are giving thanks for Black Friday and Cyber Monday discounts. Now, for more on our insights for November, please check out our new Consumer Snapshot Insight Center. In this Insight Center, we are granting you complimentary advanced access to our newest insights. These insights are interactive, meaning that you can segment questions like consumer confidence, spending plans, and employment sentiment by several key demographic groups. And then you can also download this month's PowerPoint analysis or text summary from this Insight Center. And all you have to do is click on the red button below to register and log into this complimentary Insight Center. And if you are viewing this video from an embedded link, head over to consumersnapshot.com to access these insights. Thanks for watching.